Alright guys, I hope everybody had a great weekend. So you might have seen that we had our last DT-02 run for the CW01 Creations, and for my regular subscribers, probably haven't seen much of a track time lately with all these speed runs. So I figured, why not? We will got to run this battery down anyways, and it's a beautiful morning and it's not too hot yet, so let's take these monster truck tires off and put these guys on that we got from Test Driver. You should check him out. His channel's getting better and better. Not that it was bad, but he's putting a lot of time and effort into it, and I noticed. So check out Test Driver. He's the one that donated these tires for us. And I figure it's a good time to get a little track time, and we'll get back to mine and Lauren's little track races we've been doing, because I enjoy those more than I do the speed runs. But speed runs are the speed runs. So hopefully you guys got some asparagus roots soaking, get those planted up this year. That'll be part of today's project. A little later today, maybe I'll do a update video wherever we leave off on the house, with the, you know, for those that care, the addition that we built for Mom and all that good jazz. So now this car, not get back to it, sorry, I'm just rambling to occupy the time while I fix these tires. So we still got the MABUCHI RX 540. Seemed to run real nice for me, so figured I might as well keep it in there and just run it down and see if we like to keep it in this car, at least for now, for the track times, because you guys know that anything over 30 on this track is kind of useless, at least the way we run. So for my regular subscribers. So good day for the race. And Grandma's hooting and hollering in the background, making all kinds of noise. Oh, handles real good. But I think that's my cue that we're going to the store, so I'll have to come back and finish this race in a minute. I'm just getting a couple laps in real quick. Man, it's running good. Lauren's gonna dig this. It's actually faster than it was last time, and it's a slower motor. Last time we had it on the track, I think it had the Chinese Surpass. Ooh, I think I just broke the wing. We got chickens getting out. Bob's yelling at the chickens. Anyway, so we'll continue this in a minute. Looks like our day has begun. Time to go to the grocery store, get some dinner. Mom took off today, so get to hang out with Grandma today. Oh, I love this car. Oh, that was a good one. Trying to figure out the lines for these two-wheel drivers. Distracted. Whoa, okay, we'll stop there, guys.